So this 1963 ES-125 needs all kinds of attention to get it to play to its max and to be regulated and perfectly in tune. But one of the first issues, and I'm bringing you in close so you can see, I took a tracing off the fingerboard. Look at the difference between the fingerboard radius and the bridge. I mean, it's not even close. So this is the first thing we got to do, is get this radius on the bridge to match the fingerboard radius. And so now that we've got a radius match, we can start sculpting and intonating. We went through the trouble to get a perfect match to that fingerboard curvature. So the bridge is now intonated. This allows the customer, when he changes strings, to always be able to locate the bridge perfectly. 12 to 52 strings with a wound third tuned to concert pitch. So now that it's done, we'll bring it in the house, plug it in, and let's have a listen. So I've got a chord progression, so F sharp minor 7, B minor 11, A to E. So I'm going to loop that, and then I'm going to play the same chords in a different position. Well, this is actually F sharp minor 9 to B minor to A major to E major 9. So I just looped those two layered progressions, and I'll just, once again, just kind of noodle over top of it and switch the pickups around, and it lets you hear the wonderful sound of this guitar, but also the accuracy, the intonation, and the beautiful playability. It's really a pleasure to play this thing. So, and of course P90s, right? You got that sort of arch top sound, but the 90s sort of give you that edge on the attack. Okay, so I'll let that play.